Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to set up the Sendcloud pickup point in Odoo. The Sendcloud integration. Sendcloud is a shipping service aggregator that facilitates the integration of European shipping carriers with Odoo. Once integrated, users can select shipping carriers on inventory operations in their Odoo database. Now you need to set up in Sendcloud. Create an account and activate careers. To get started, simply just go ahead and create a login account to Sendcloud account, and on the Sendcloud platform, follow the Sendcloud integration documentation to configure the account and generate the connector credentials, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Then you need to do a warehouse configuration. Once logged into your account, navigate to settings, shipping and addresses, and fill in the field of warehouse addresses, as you can see right here. To allow Sendcloud to process returns as well, a return address is required. So under the miscellaneous section, there is a field called address name optional. The Odoo warehouse name should be entered here, and the characters should be exactly the same as you can see here. So in case there was like capital letter, it should be capital letter, so make sure to simply copy it exactly how it is. Notice how the input for the warehouse field for both the Odoo configuration and the Sendcloud configuration are exactly the same. And once you're done, you generate Sendcloud credentials, as you can see here. As you can see, you need a public key, secret key, service point, save, and choose what kind of careers you'd like, and then click on save. And now you have to set up it in Odoo. So install Sendcloud shipping module, and from there you simply have to connect both the API and basically the accounts. And that's pretty much it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. If you do have any more questions, make sure to mention them in the comment section, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.